guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to be drawing a warship that's going to be super cool. So when we're done, it's going to look like this. So yeah, hopefully you like it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm just actually, so first you're going to draw a line up. Actually guys, I'm just going to draw the whole entire thing, and then I'll show it to you after, and then yeah. And I was also telling you what I'm drawing. So, I'm going to do that part, which is actually going to be like a gun. So, okay, actually I'm just gonna draw the thing. Alright, we're almost done. Okay, I think we're done. This look good, guys? It actually kind of is hard to see because like yeah, so I guess we're done. Now I'm gonna, so guys, Now we're gonna take the other one and we're gonna compare them to see how good they are. If it's like really the same or it's kind of different. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that's good. They look very good. They both look like they're the same thing. So we're gonna wrap it up for today. Hopefully you had a good time watching. I'm just gonna say how to draw a warship, but it's actually not. I'm just gonna, you know what I mean. So yeah, hopefully you had a good time. Bye.